Smile on your face, even though your heart is frowning. But hey,